Now is available at McCarthy Cars, Toyota Auris 64 plate 2014, metallic red. Car has front daylights, it's got front parking sensors. Car has 17-inch alloy wheels, it's got panoramic glass roof, has privacy rear glass. Car has rear parking sensors, got reversing camera, split folding rear seats. Half black leather interior, it's got sides and front airbags, 5 headrests, ISOFIX. Okay. 4 electric window, it's got electric and folding mirrors, panoramic glass roof. Car has satellite navigation, has reversing camera. Two-zone climate control air conditioning. It's got eco mode, USB aux connection, automatic transmission, heated seats, multifunction steering wheel, cruise control, speed limiter. Thank you for watching.